So are you looking for the reason that the stock market is down while we're seeing the Dow down 400, the NASDAQ down 597? If you are, we're going to talk about that in this video. You can see right above my head there, there's the NASDAQ's down 600 points. The Dow's down 400. We're going to talk about this. Hey, is this fear around the government shutdown? Maybe, maybe not. We're going to actually look at a really interesting scenario that I was able to pull out of an AI engine, Google's AI engine, and looking at kind of what happened or the last shutdown and all that we're going to be talking about. So my name is Austin. I cover stocks. I actually started this channel a while ago, and then now I'm restarting it. So I'm going to be here for you. So if you are inclined, please give me some support. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and we're going to get into this because I have really two goals: help you make more money with stocks and help you be better informed. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to talk about the fact, is the stock market plunging, the Dow, the NASDAQ, all major assets, because of the potential government shutdown that's coming tomorrow? Okay, I'm assuming you're aware of this. Tomorrow is the end day. That would be, January 30th, leading into Saturday. The funding runs out for the government. The funding centers around really the funding for DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, and inside of that, ICE. We've got, ICE is a political hot potato right now. The Democrats versus the Republicans, they don't want to fund it. Because of the political fallout from that, et cetera. Okay. So, but I asked Google's AI engine during the last government shutdown, was the impact of the shutdown on the stock market? How much did they drop? They did not. Okay. So I don't know if you know this, the S&P 500 gained 2.4%. Okay. So looking at the other scenarios, the stock market's, quote, shrugged off the political dysfunction. Okay. Most major indexes hit record milestones. The Dow Jones Industrial gained and closed up 0.7 for the 43-day period of the last government shutdown that went from October 1 to November 12. The S&P 500 finished the period up gaining 0.1%. The NASDAQ slipped slightly to 0.3. Okay, so no, I don't really think historically, if you look back, that the reason that the market is down, that it is because of the government shutdown. This is a very, very tech-heavy impact. Stocks sink as Microsoft plunge weighs on tech. So we've got now the fear running rampant now really around the tech sector. Has AI spending been overdone? Is AI going to die in the next 5 minutes? Is tech overextended themselves? Thus, so forth and so on, right? Microsoft post-earnings plunge drags tech down, right? We're seeing this play out dramatically. So the NASDAQ heavy, the tech heavy, NASDAQ has led losses, shedding roughly 1.8+%. Again, down now 600 plus. Microsoft down 12+%, down 60. Meta is up because Meta actually beat their earnings. But you can see kind of across the board, we're seeing some impact here. So I think the Microsoft missing having the issues they're having, again, is bleeding over into all of tech. We're seeing it. And that's the reason you're seeing this. And I think, again, the Dow 30 is down 348 plus, points. We're seeing a lot of sell-off playing out here in the stock market. It is bleeding over into crypto as well. You may not know I cover crypto as well. So I have a crypto channel as well. The link will be in the description below if you want to go check that out. But yeah, I think we're going to see this. So I think we got a lot of uncertainty now. Again, tech dragging stocks down. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. I wanted to make this a really, really quick video for you. I think, is it going to get worse for the stock market? I think if we continue to see tech companies struggling, now we've got an interesting mixed bag. Meta did really well. Microsoft has had a miss, and we're seeing now, I think it's going to be company by company, and we'll see how that continues to play out. So right now we've got a bleed off. Is it going to get worse? I think the market will adjust to this. Again, we also have writing in this, the Federal Reserve, their decision to hold rates steady. We've got Powell in May. We all know he's going to be basically going to be gone. So we've got a changing of the guard there. I think you got a little bit of fallout maybe from the fact that his comments were inconclusive. He did not give any really insight into where they were going to go. And we've talked about that definitely on the crypto side, but we've talked about that in we'll continue to talk about it now. Everybody's talking about it. So that's what we got going on. Stocks are sinking. There's the reasons why. latest stock news for you. And I think we got to continue to watch really the tech sector and then AI and see how that continues to play out and look for more earnings. We'll see. But Microsoft is pulling us down right now on the tech, and we got a pervasive bleeding of the entire stock market playing out. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Later.